What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. And as you can see from the title, I'm here with another affordable headband wig. Half wig turned into a headband wig. Affordable, affordable, affordable. Y'all see that headband? Purchasing this did not break my bank. I was able to save my coin and purchase another headband wig. So if y'all interested in seeing how I styled this and checking out the other headbands that I purchased with this, go ahead and keep on watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, y'all, so we are about to get started with our next affordable wig, and this one is another half up, half down. I already took it out the pack. This one is in the style UD3, and the color is T2 Copper. You know, I've never tried copper, but that's this, and this deep wave. I love deep wave. Okay, y'all, so of course, as y'all know, because I'm late, yes, I'm late, but this is the instant up and down. It's one half wig and a pony wrap. So you can do an updo, you can do a pony wrap, you can do a half wig, you can do the half up, half down. This is so cute. It comes in special colors, but you probably already know that because, like I said, I'm late. I already kind of got my edges and stuff kind of how I want them to be, but what I like to do, we about to work a little magic because I already put some edge control and some shiny gem on there. We're gonna take it and then we're going to slick it back just a little bit. And then what the edge control, the edge tamer I've been using is by Eben 24-hour edge tamer, and I'm gonna just do a little touch up real quick. Just throw a little on there, just throw a little on there because I see it lifting. I didn't even show y'all the construction of the wig, rude. But basically, if you know a half wig, you know it has, well, usually I'm used to the one comb, but these has two combs right here, and then it has a big comb in the back, and then it has a drawstring. So listen, ain't nobody about to be snatching this off, you hear me? We're gonna secure it. It'll be safe. If you just so happen to get in a fight, you'll be good. Ain't nobody gonna be snatching it. So I got my mirror over here, that's why I'm looking over here, but let's go ahead and secure her. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that drawstring, you know? Cause look, you know what I'm saying? Like, ain't nobody about to be taking this, okay? I have this one and this one. I'm picking these black ones because I feel like they go with my shirt. But you know what? I also have these headbands over here. These are the harder headbands. So I'm actually gonna try, gotta make sure I cover that little part. Okay, we got that one. That's choice one. We got that one. And I like it because it's black, you know, black. And then next, let's go on with this leopard one. Cute, right? Just a little variety for you. And of course, y'all know I got y'all. I got you. I'm gonna have it linked below. That's another one. Matter of fact, let me take this down and just comb it out just a tad bit. Not too much, because I do want to preserve it when I do a half up, half down, but this is cute. Ooh, look at that curl sticking out right there. This cute. I'm kind of getting 80s vibes. Y'all know with the big hair, the headbands and all that. It was big hair and headbands, right? I was born in the late 80s, so I'm a 90s kid. 80s babies, 90s kid, but here we go. This cute. All right, let's go ahead. I like to do it like, the bigger the hair, I just put it on my neck, and then here we go. And I like these softer ones. They're easier on the head. I had a hard one and it was kind of giving me a headache. Where is it? This one. So cute, but I prefer these soft ones. But there you go. Let me show y'all this. For those of you who just found out about this half up, half down like me, look at this. Like, this is so cute, so big and beautiful, and the curls are so pretty. I'll have all the information listed in the description box if you guys are interested in checking this out. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, if you found it helpful, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you can always get notified of my videos and you'll never miss out on them. Like, subscribe, comment, leave me a comment down below which one of these half wigs that I showed you was your favorite. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace. It is hot. It only gets hot when I do that intro. Yes, it's because I do the intro. I guess I'm getting nervous or something, because damn, it's hot. What am I even nervous for? I ain't even talking to nobody right now at this time. Like, until I put this on YouTube, right now it's just me, myself, and I, and whatever ghost is down here too.